What's up guys, today I want to let you know about these huge sales and bundles on Cosmos. Cosmos is a massive asset library for Unreal Engine 5, created by Lyrtis Studios. Lyrtis is one of the best asset creators for Unreal Engine 5. You've probably seen many of their packs before. I always collaborate with them to bring you these insane deals. Right now there's the Equinox sale, where you can get up to a 70% of discount on all assets, plus a flash sale with discounts of up to 90% off. These are limited time offers, so check them out quickly before they end. Cosmos offers prices cheaper than Fab, with a huge range of environments, 3D assets, materials, sounds, VFX, tools, and much more. They also have a couple bundles running right now if you want to check them out. On top of that, Cosmos features the Rocket plugin, which lets you drag assets directly into your Unreal Pred so easily. In Cosmos, you can purchase individual assets or get credits, but the best option is a subscription. With a premium subscription, you can get access to the entire asset library, including environments, materials, VFX, and everything else. So whatever asset you like, you can just drag it into your Pred and create your dream worlds. So check out the field link in the description. With that said, let's open up one of the available environments with a discount right now, and let's take a look inside of Unreal. Alright guys, so I'm here in one of the environments that is with a discount right now in the Equinox sale, and as you can see, this looks out of a film. I mean, this is probably one of the nicest environments that I've seen in a big while. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, the detail in these assets and overall the composition of the whole map is insane. I mean, like I said, this looks out of a movie. Honestly, I'm speechless right now. This is crazy. I don't have any words. I mean, look at all the details and assets that are here, right? Of course, everything using the latest Unreal Engine 5 tech, as you know, Lumen and Nanite. So this will run pretty smoothly, and you know, I mean, look at this. We have little paths here into like foliage. We have this huge buildings over here, right, with full out fleshed interiors, which is insane, with lighting. I mean, we have furniture. We have this little exterior over here. Guys, I'm not exaggerating my reaction. This is the first time that I'm opening this environment. You know, literally said, okay, you need to showcase this asset. This is one of the good ones. And I mean, that's literally true. Oh my god, look at this. This looks like out of a film too. Oh my god, man, this is crazy. So yeah, as you can see, the quality in Lyrtis assets is insane. You will find this same quality across all their environments and overall just assets over at Cosmos. So you can check out this exact environment, which is the Elven Forest City, in the Cosmos Equinox sale right now. So you guys, with that said, go ahead and check out the link in the description to check out Cosmos. And now yes, with all that said, bye bye.